Yes. How y'all doing? All right. I'm replacing the filters in the aircon. I had to take the filters out to clean them and clean everything up here, then put them inside. And I also cleaned inside of there. So you must do this every month or so to keep everything running efficiently. Okay. All right. Now I'm about to put these back in here and let me get up on my makeshift ladder. Hey, okay, I'm putting it up now. Honey. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, you can slide it back in here. Slide right inside those grooves. And we got it in. We got this one in. Now we got to go to the other side. Put these in the groove. Slide them up. Hold up. Sure we got these in the groove. Let's go tonight. Slide them up. Snap it in. Make sure everything's secure. We're done. All right. That's all to it. That's all you need to do for the aircon. Now turn it. Hand me the. Now we're gonna try it out. Cool. No need to call nobody to do it. You can do it yourself. All right. Thanks, Skinny Gorilla, for giving me a heads up to remind me to clean this. Because I'm telling you what, even on my mind until I saw Skinny Gorilla's channel. He told me he said he had to clean his. That reminded me of cleaning mine. All right. All right, you guys. Peace.